Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Android Auto in your car, follow these simple steps to connect your phone to your vehicle's infotainment system. Step 1. Make sure your car is compatible with Android Auto and that your phone runs Android 6.0 or higher. Step 2. Download and install the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store if it's not already built into your phone. Step 3. Connect your Android phone to your car's USB port using a high-quality USB cable, preferably the original cable that came with your phone. Step 4. Unlock your phone and look for a prompt asking to allow Android Auto to access your device. Tap Allow or Accept to grant necessary permissions. Step 5. Android Auto should automatically launch on your car's display screen. If it doesn't, tap the Android Auto icon on your phone or car's screen. Step 6. Follow the on-screen setup wizard, which will ask you to grant permissions for things like contacts, location, messages, and phone calls. Step 7. Complete the setup by reading and accepting the terms and conditions. Step 8. Once setup is complete, you can now use Google Maps for navigation, make hands-free calls, send voice-activated text messages, and access compatible apps through your car's display, all while keeping your eyes on the road. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.